Introduction to A3B-25B computer lock-stitch sewing machine operation panel. This A3B product iterates as A2S and also draws on the new platform of A4 in appearance. It is much better than A2S in terms of vibration and noise. And this new split panel. Triangular panel similar to A4. Many buttons on the panel are similar to A4. One-click recovery. With function key P. Front reinforcement and presser foot lift switch. Rear reinforcement and needle stop position. Free sewing and thread trimming. W-seam and multi-segment seam. Electronic wire clamp and trigger key. Presser foot lifting after thread trimming and midway presser foot lifting.